Okay, so we're going to be going over the clavicle, which is your collarbone, your rib, well, your ribs, and then your sternum. So first, your clavicle. So this flat end, as you can tell it's flat, that's your lateral, what do they call it, lateral end, or also your acromial end, and that's the flat part. And then this end is your distal end, well, your sternal end. That's what it's called. So your medial or sternal end. So it's going to look like this on your body. Okay? So acromial end and sternal end. So then right on the bottom here is the little spot that sticks out. Actually, I believe this would be over here like this. Flipping it. Okay, so this bump should be on the top. Okay, so I had it backwards before, but this is called your cornoid tubercle. Cornoid tubercle. So you got your lateral end, or your acromial end, your sternal end or medial end, your conoid tubercle, and then last on the back here is your posterior surface. So that's your clavicle. Next we'll go to your sternum. So this will be right here, like this. Okay. So this top part right here is your jugular notch. These two parts right here is your clavicular notch, because your clavicle is going to fit into this right here, like that. Clavicular notch. This top part is your manubrium. There's a line right here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's your sternal angle right here. This part in the middle is your body. And then this little thing that sticks out right here is your xiphoid process. And then it talks about different attachments, like for the joints and stuff, for the ribs, and that's where these little things come out. Those are where your ribs attach to the sternum. Okay, so that's your sternum. And last we have your rib. So this is what it looks like. This flat part will be in the back. So it'll look kind of like this. Okay, so your head is what attaches to your vertebrae. So your head's going to be right here on this end. The neck is going to be between the bump and your head. So right here. Then you have your articulating part of tubercle. So that's the inside part. So you see a bump right here? So it's the inside part. That's the part that attaches to your vertebrae. So your articulating part of tubercle. So the outside, this part, is your non-articulating part of tubercle. Okay? Then the bone, as you can see right here, starts, it's kind of flat and then it goes down. That's your angle. The rest of it's your body. And then if you look into the middle, you have your costal groove right here. Costal groove. And then this down here is your costal end. So this part. And that is everything on the rib.